Okay, everybody, pre-intro muna tayo. Mali na babaan namin, pero we're gonna go somewhere today, something exciting. I told you, lately Sting is life, but pre-intro lang to, mamaya pa isimula. Naliligaw kami very light, pero okay lang. Bismillah, wakala barakatella. Sana hindi malayo yung mismong pupuntahan namin. Ay, sana all. May personal na. Darling. Ginagalawan na natin ng ang Palengke series, episode 2 or part 2. Hindi ko alam kung paano to, basta maggawa lang tayo ng vlogging. Hello, salam. How are you? Ay, ang galing. Umisya na nakaupo. Kawawa naman yung mga pusa, ang init. You sell these cats?
Yes.
कितने?
पेयर
Yeah.
ये पेयर आपको मिल जाएगा 10,000 रुपए का।
10,000?
10,000.
10,000, 10,000. Grabe ang mura ng pusa niya dito. Kung may sarili akong bahay, bibiling ko na yan. Para hindi naman kawawa. Also the white one?
12,000 रुपए। 12,000।
The white one, how old is this?
फीमेल।
Yeah. Está umar sila.
वन पीस।
Na está umar sila.
क्या कह रहे हैं?
Age. How old is this cat?
हैं? इसकी उम्र है साल की हुई है अभी। 1 year।
1 year na? Ah, okay. Both female? Male, female. Okay. Shukriya. Okay, first time ko lang makakita ng nagbibenta ng may pusang may breed sa Pakistan. Wala lang, na-curious lang ako. Salam, how are you?
I am fine।
Are you fine?
Yeah.
Good. Good afternoon, this is Kay Toretto from Islamabad, Pakistan. So for today's video, we are here in Barakahu. Somewhere it's like the sub-region of Islamabad. So as you can see right now, it's so magulo, it's so chaotic. And for today's video, this is gonna be the part 2 of my Palengke series here in Pakistan. At pag dinignan mo talaga yung lugar dito, ang gulo dito, pero pag tumingin ka sa left side, it's another place na sobrang gulo at hindi natin to patatagalin. Before we start, if you're new to my channel, my name is Kay Toretto, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm forgetting my script, 1 second. If you're new to my channel, my name is Kay Toretto, and please don't forget to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel and all the other social media platforms. Without further ado, simulan na natin itong magulo, nakakalokang Palengke series natin here in Pakistan. Let's go! Hi. Hello, how are you? You good? Okay, let's go. Everybody, good afternoon from me, Kay Toretto here. So for today, good ako pala ako si Mama Mary. Good afternoon. Yes. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung mangyayari ngayon, but what we're gonna be doing is that talagang ang tawag dito is we're gonna dig deeper sa kultura ng Pakistan. Naalala ko kasi like few days ago, I was thinking about to do something new. And parang naisip ko, di ba sa Pilipinas meron tayong kasabihan na if you wanna see the real life of the locals, pumunta ka sa mga palengke, and there you will see like kung ano ba talaga yung nangyari doon. So for today's video, yun yung gagawin natin. And look at my outfit. It's my first time to wear something like this in Pakistan kasi wala na rin naman talaga akong damit, pero the Pakistan is Pakistaning. So, tara na, maglakad-lakad lang tayo. That's what we're gonna be doing. Nothing special. Maglakad lang tayo. And we're also on a quest to look for the best chai in Barakahu. So, magtatanong-tanong tayo sa lokal. And I'm also thinking to get a new slippers here. Kasi yung slippers ko, sa Bangkok pa to. At feeling ko, kailangan na siyang palitan. Kaya, tara, let's go. Exciting to. Tiyatin ko na pa rin mangyari. Kaya tara na. Have you been here before? So you don't have any idea also? Okay. So, pero kasi Hamsa, bago ka magay ka nga muna, Hamsa. Opa, Hamsa is Hamsaing again. Mahihayin si Hamsa sa mga video-video kaya hindi ko siya masyadong ina-expose. Napipilitan lang yan. Maghanap tayo ng ano ba? Gusto ko ng chai actually, pero kadadating lang kasi natin. Ay, ayos yung outfit to. Appear. TikTok. Ayos yung shades mo Okay yan Salam. Salam. Hala. Nahihirapan ako maglakad. Kasi yung pada ko umiipit, hindi ko pwedeng iangat. Makikita yung binti ko. Mali ako ng dapat nag-leggings pala ako sa loob. Kasi sobrang init.
Jazz, tenor, songs in Ay.
Hello. Ang daing ulo ng goat, tining. Ayoko. Mahal. Recently, gusto ko yung mga goats, tapos ayoko makakita ng mga dead goats. O orkot ako. Kung ito yung nakakaano, titignan talaga natin kung ano yung makikita natin dito, kung ano yung meron dito. Magkakaalaman. Comment down below nyo nga kung ano yung tsura ko sa screen, sa outfit na to. Hamsa, can you show the outfit? Sana okay akong tignan. Sana payat ako. Nag-all black ako kasi parang nga payat akong tignan. Ayun na naman yung mga manok. Assalamualaikum. How are you? Sarap ng manok. Shucks. Na-o-orkot pa akong kumain ng manok. Pag tinignan mo yung mukha ko, nakaganito ako. Yung inaalam ko talaga kung ano yung nangyayari sa paligid. Kung malaki-laki itong i-explore natin na lugar, kaya tara. Nakaset kaming mag-film dito. Hello, how are you? Gapong bata. Oh, yung mga namamalamos dito. Mukhang artista, sa totoo lang. You good? Good daw siya. Talagang artista na yan, batang yan sa Pinas. Maglakad tayo, tignan natin. Kaya I hope that we'll be able to find something special here in Barakahu. 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 Pero hindi yung basura. Hindi ayan. Yung bata, sunod ng sunod. Bili na nga natin ng inumin. Tell him to get a Coke for himself and I will pay for it.
आगे से बोतल
Drinks. Go, get a drink.
बोतल अपने ले लो हो गया बोतल
Get a drink, get a drink.
बोतल
Coke, Coke, Coke. Kaya na pa siya sumusunod, ibili na natin agad ng pagkain. Lapaga yung Mother Teresa ko, mamaya pa to eh. Go. Magbike. Hindi ko mataas yung palda ko, shucks. Makikita nila yung binti ko. Mamaya pa tong Mother Teresa na to eh. Na-advance. What you want? Yung malamig. Ito. Ito. Cute na.
170.
Ay, dalawa na kayo agad. Ang bilis ng balita talaga. Oh. Mamaya kasi, mag 7-up ka na lang. Can you at least? Okay, good. Para hindi ka na sumunod. Uwi ka na. Shaba. Baka kasi sumunod pa yan. Nay, that's for you. That's for you. For you. Tell him it's for him.
आपके लिए दोनों
For you. Umuwi ka na. Kasi baka susunod pa yan hanggang mamaya. Kaya bili mo na. Yung binti ko pala, shucks. Bye-bye. Mute yata yung bata. O, tatawid tayo. O, again, I don't advise. Alam mo, let's use that. Baka sabihin nila, ginagawa ko talaga sa Pakistan to. O, we're gonna have used the overpass. No, we can, Hamza. It's open. O, again, this is the Pakistani way of making tawid here. Woo! Hindi ko maangat yung palda ko, shucks. The cameraman, Hamza, the cameraman never what? Hamza! Kaya sobrang magandang sign to kapag nakakakita ka ng malalaking restaurant kasi it only means na buhay yung market, maraming kumakain, dinadayo, masarap yung luto. Kapag marami kasing restaurant dito, napansin ko lang sa Pakistan na maraming nagbibilian kasi nga yung competitor something, kung alam nyo man yun. Basta yung ganun, hindi ko kayang sabihin. Actually, ang hinahanap natin dito, undocs. Joke lang. Tara, may $1 shop. May mga wires. Matagal ko na itong nakikita itong market na to. Parati kong iniisip, ang dami nangyayari. So I think it's time for me to finally visit here. So, yung mga lugar na feeling ko naging memorable na sa part ng Pakistan journey ko, ayun yung ginagawa ko recently. Talagang binivisit ko sila kahit off-cam. Pinupuntahan ko talaga sila. Inaalam ko kung anong meron sa lugar na yon para, alam mo yun, hindi mo lang siya basta dinadaanan. You also know what's around, what's happening around, what they have to offer. So, ayun nangyayari ngayon. Ito na yung mga palengke series na to, part 2. Natatakot ako sa mga kuryente. Hala. Parang gusto ko mag-iba ng daan. Tara, tara, tara. Parang di naman ako tumatambay sa tondo niyan dati. Gumilid na lang tayo. Hi. Good. Hi. May mga paano naman pala dito. Mobile lane. Sa maniwala kayo sa hindi, nararamdaman kong madadapa ako. Dahil hindi ko maiangat yung palda ko, lumalabas yung binti ko. Uso yung sore eyes. Alam nyo ba, napansin ko lang, medyo uso yung sore eyes ngayon sa Pakistan. Sa hotel ko, parang may 3. Yung kapitbahay ko, 2. Sana naman hindi ako mahawa. Nai-stress ako, hindi ako lumalabas. Hamza, what is this? Pasta?
Pasta and snacks with the tea.
You can eat it directly?
Like, you put it in oil and then
Okay. Parang papa. Pag tinanong mo ako, ito tayo, Hamza. Pag tinanong mo ako next time kung anong meron sa Pakistan. Pag tinanong mo ako next time kung anong meron sa Barakaho, alam ko na kung ano. Barakaho, right? I'm making sure that I am pronouncing it properly. Para hindi mo na ako mapahiya sa mga manonood. So, it's Barakaho. Para next time, di ba, alam mo yung, saan ka makakabili ng ganito? Sa ganitong market, meron yan. Kala mo talaga nagsisettle na ako dito, di ba? Dito, kapag may mga batang sumusunod sa inyo yung maliliit, again, I don't advise na bigyan nyo sila ng pera. Ibili nyo ng pagkain, candy, ng tubig, o ng kahit anong may lasa. Ganoon. What you saying? What? She's saying? Just end it. See, I told you, you have to be careful if there's women around. Sometimes, it's my first time na a woman approach you talaga na they don't wanna be in the video. Always remember that we have to respect that, ha? Hala, lapot. Di ba pa natin yung nakikita yung pinapakita sa inyo, malinis yung Islamabad. Pero, this time, tignan mo naman. Wait lang, padaanin muna natin yung mga babae. Ako na yung magtatakip. May mga dumadaan pong babae, pasensya naman, takpan na lang natin. Ayan, okay, go. Diba, may mga dumi-dumi rin naman dito, pero okay lang naman. Manageable. Kaya tara, let's make the wed without getting dead. Nang hindi na mamatay. Tara. Hala. Uso pala yung mga live, kangkong ba to? Is this spinach? Spinach? Uy, may kangkong. It's my first time to see spinach here. That's nice, hello. May spinach sila. Wait nga. No, I'm just checking it. Just checking around. May spinach sila. You want my TikTok? Yeah, I can give it. Sure. Just take picture of this. Here, just take picture of it. Talong. Ko binigay na lang yung cellphone. Dead ma. Tapos tumakbo, no? Mamili kaya ako ng gulay, lutuin ko mamaya, no? Huwag tayo dito. Para akong nasa saan ba to? Ano bang market sa Pilipinas na parang ganito? Hindi ko alam. Paano tayo tatawid? Excuse me po. Okay, tara dito. Okay, tara dito. Let's go, let's go. Ay. Si Kuya, laro. Okay. Ayun yung bus stop. Ang gulo, ang dami nangyayari. Dito tayo. Dito tayo, tara. Marie? I heard Marie. I know. I'm gonna tell you something. Kapag nasa Marie kayo, wait lang. Kung nakikita niyo yung bus na yan na nasa likod ko, ang stop niyan from Marie dito sa Barakaho. Alam ko talaga, di ba? Kung nakikita niyo yung maraming Vivo, Oppo, Infinix, doon yung niyan, stop niyan. So, pwede kayo magpababa dito. Tapos sa kayo ng Pamari, ito lang yung opposite side o yung overpass. Ayan. Ako na ang nag-e-explore ng mga palengke ng Pakistan. Ay, tignan mo. Ayun yung sinasabi ko, nakakalakihan nila yan. Pag may nakita silang foreigner, money agad. Nay. Kung gusto nyong idiin yung pagsasabi nyo ng no, kasi di pag sinabi mong nay, no yon. Pero kung gusto mong idein, yung parang hindi nga, parang neyi, ganon. Hello. Papakita nyo ba yan? Oh, hi daw. How are you? You are good. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Singgay.
Serda. Wala kayo TikTok. Jod ka mo pa.
TikTok agad?
Stand here, I have one for
I stand here. Okay, go. This your baba? No. Uncle.
brother.
Brother. No, this one.
He's your brother.
Brothers. Okay, go.
I mean, now one with me.
Are you now with you? Pwede ba dito ka? Nay, you there. Para maganda yung angulo ko. Yes. Good?
Nay, 1 minute. 1 minute.
Isa pa? Ang dami naman, kuya. Kayo talaga. Kayo talaga magpinsang. Again? Here? Ay, gusto mo makita yun? Ayun ang mga pangmalakasan nila. Bow. Ayun ang mga pangmalakasan ano nila, pang TikTok, oh. Okay, good.
Check.
No, it's okay. Thank you.
Nay, bota.
Thank you.
1 minute just for your...
No, it's okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Nag-offer sila ng chai. 120 din yan. Alam mo, napansin ko sa Barakaho, parang may mga barabarangay sa gilid. Yung mga street, parang barabarangay na yan. Again ha, support the business locals. Yung mga apple dito, yung mga banana. Hindi naman sila nanloloko ng pressure dito, to be honest. Alam nyo, sa 10 times na bumili ako dito, siguro isang beses lang. Like, okay sila magbigay ng presyo dito. Ni hao na, Philippines. Philippine. Yes. Oh, thank you. Ay, tawid tayo dito. I think that is the end. Parang sarap mag-chai dito. Hala. Parang ang sarap mag-chai. My God. The chai, is it too early to have chai? No, they have bigger restaurant there for chai. Hala. Parang gusto ko mag-chai dito. Sorry. Nag-iisip ako. Sorry naman. Parang gusto ko mag-chai. Hala. Natetempt ako mag-chai. Wait lang. Nilalabanan ko. Naubos yung energy. Alam mo, mag-chai tayo. Wala na akong energy. Tara. Hamsa, let's have a chai. Do chai. Yes. Dito na lang tayo. Ay, gwapo talaga si Hamsa ngayon. Hamsa, mag-hi ka, oh. Bagay sa kanya yung may beard. Dari? Dari. Oh, tanda ko. Alam nyo, tong chai na to, pahamak to sa buhay ko. Wala lang, natempt lang ako mag-chai. Ay. Salam. Natempt ako bigla mag-chai. Nang wala sa oras. Kaya alam niyo ba, hindi ako lumalabas ng naka-fit na t-shirt sa Pakistan. Ngayon lang, kasi walang mabagayan tong palda ko. Di ba yung suot ko dito parating maluluwag na damit, maluluwag na pantalon. First time ko to yung ganito. Mapapagalitan ako nito, sigurado. Alam niyo kung bakit masarap kasama to si Hamsa? I will say it in English so you will understand. No, I will say it in Tagalog na lang pala. You know, the good thing about being with Hamsa, his energy is neutral. Not so energetic, not so down. Neutral lang talaga. So, ang dala mo lang sarili mo. You don't have to think kung ano yung nararamdaman niya. Okay lang siya sa lahat. Maiyalo ka sa kanya, okay. Gawin natin to, okay. Punta tayo dito, okay. Ito yung gusto ko, okay. Ganun lang siya.
Don't understand it, but
You can feel it? You got it? Okay. Ganun lang siya. Ay, the chai here is good. Ang OA ko. Di ba ang OA ko? Bakit? Gusto ko talaga... Hala, ang ganda ng makeup ko. Hi, that chai is chaiing talaga naman. Alam niyo, if you're visiting Pakistan, you have to message me and ask me kung saan yung mga masasarap na places na pwedeng mag-chai na hindi sasakit yung tiyan nyo. Because again, I have a very sensitive stomach. Pero kapag yung tiyan ko hindi sumakit sa pinag-chayan ko, bumabalik ako. Tapos doon ako palagi. Pero pag feeling ko sobrang strong yung stomach ko that day, kahit saan ako nag-chai. Comment down below kung maganda ako. Gwapo ng mga dito. Oh, Diyos ko po. Alam. Tumingin kayo sa likod ko. Hanapin ninyo ang nakikita ko. Lalayo ako para makita nyo ang lahat. Everybody, habang nag-chay tayo, kung gusto nyo lang naman malaman, ang pinaka-recent investment ko dito sa Pakistan, isa sa pinakamamahaling gamit ko right now. Technology, May kasi sa Pakistan, yung phone mo dito, if you have a phone here, 2 months lang siya gagana and you have to use PTA approved phone here kung gusto mo magamit yung phone mo. Basta may mga taxes something. Anyways, hindi naman yung gusto kong pag-usapan. Gusto ko lang ipakita yung bago kong cellphone. Hoy, touch screen to. Pwede kang manood ng YouTube. May WhatsApp, may Facebook. Technology,
A few moments later.
Okay, everybody, finish with the chai. Tala, maganda pa tayo ng pwede natin gawin. So, if you can see this small chai stall, katabi siya ng Barakaho Boys Hostel. Oh, basta yan. Diyan kayo nag-chai. Oh, libre. Hindi tayo pinagbayad. Nag-insist tayo pero ayaw talagang tanggapin. So, thank you. Mag-thank you na lang tayo through my video. I hope they will be able to watch this. But thank you. Tawid serye tayo, Shaks. We have to make tawid on the other side. Oh, let's go. Kaya natin to. Nakakaloka itong mga tawid na nagagana. Hamza, don't die, ha? Let's go, Hamza. Wait, Hamza, wait. Oh, let's go. Oh, if the locals make tawid, you also make tawid. I told you. Naka-conquer ko na yung feel ko ng pagtawid. Basta wag lang mabilis yung sasakyan. Baka kasi matuluyan tayo. Amazing. May naamoy akong mabaho. Shucks. May bulok na basura. Si Hamza hindi makatawid. Yung cameraman mo, laking yaman. Sa totoo lang. Alam mo kung ano yung maling ginawa ko? Kumain ako bago umalis. Hindi tuloy ako natatakam sa mga pagkain sa paligid ko. Tara, mag-ikot pa tayo para Shams Sweets and Bakery. Ay. Ang angas itong tumingin ng bata. Good, you are good. Mini franchise. Ay, sorry. Yung bagets na babaliw. Ay, ice cream. Yung gitera, ano yan? Ay, wait lang, may nakikita akong mga pa-ice creaming. Ano yung scramble? Ayos yan ah. Parang ang sarap itry nyo na. Try natin. Ha? Picture? Okay. Binibidyo mo ba ako? Tara na. O, photo. Okay. Okay na? Video. Na ano na siya, kanina pa siya sumusunod. Tara na. Okay. Heart bow. Bow. Yung filter mo, oh. Mukha na akong clown. Okay, good. Atcha. Okay. Okay, good. Are you also? Hala, ang ganda ko dyan. Oh, go. Go. Ay, ang dami nyo naman, ah. Oh, go. Ano ba? Meron pa? Oh, go.
2,000 years later.
Hoy, gusto ko tong itry. Ano ba to? Gusto ko yung ginaganon. Gusto ko yan. This, with like that, ah. Yan, like that, yes. Ay, ang dami nangyayari. Talaga naman. Ay, akin na to. Kit na. What is it? How much? Kit na. Ha? Ay, free daw. Oh, thank you. Tandaan nyo ito, parang ano pala to. Ang daming palibre ngayong araw. Mag-shopping kaya ako, pagbayarin kaya ako. Tikman natin. Hoy, masarap siya. It's focus. Hoy, masarap to. Parang gusto ko pang humingi ng isa. Hindi, joke lang. Ayan, thank you.
Please cover your board.
चल
Please cover your board.
चल ठीक है
Narinig niyo ba yung binulong sa akin ng babae? Did you hear what she said? She told me, please cover your body. Sabi ko sa inyo, kaya hindi ako nagsusuot ng ganito dito. What is this, Hamza?
Coconut.
Coconut? Ah, ang sarap. Bagong discovery to Pwedeng business to sa Pinas So alam niyo na kung ba't hindi ako lumalabas ng nakafit na damit dito. Kasi may mga babae talagang kahit wala kang gawin sa kanila, sila na talaga yung ma-offend or hindi sila comfortable na makakita ng babaeng figure na nakikita yung shape ng katawan mo. Pero nakakakita ako ng maraming foreigners dito talagang ganito rin naman manamit. Pero minsan talaga may mga ganun. Good. Go. Thank you. Let's go. Good. Good. Tike, action. Anyari. Turo daw. Okay. Okay.
Hoy, pauwi na tayo. Paisabad. Paisabad. O, paisabad. Paisabad, ya? O, tara. Tara, Hamza.
Ala. Paano tayo sasakay? There is okay.
Oh, bad gaya, ऊपर हो.
Yeah. Okay daw. Dito daw ako. Can I have a seat here? Okay, thank you. Hala, wait. 1 minute. Yes, hello. How you know? Mabuti. You have the cleanest bus here. This is the most beautiful bus I tried. Hamza! Hamza! Making videos. My name is Kay. What's your name?
My name is Shafiq.
Ha? Shafiq Khan?
ये नहीं आए देखने में बताशने उन्हीं को
Yung itsura ko dito para akong Shanghai. Okay, everybody, nandito tayo ngayon sa loob ng bus. Say hi na Shafiq Khan. There's women at the back so I cannot record it so it can only be like this. Nandito ako sa may harapan. Nakaupo ako. Wait lang. Sinasabihan ako ng mga katabi ko, binababa nila yung palda ko. Diba? They're so nice. So, ayan. Tara. Marami daw siyang girlfriend sa Dubai. Ang ganda ng bus niya, kaso puro babae yung nasa paligid ko. Hindi ko mapakita. Pakita ko na lang sa inyo yung harapan. You look young. 16, grabe ka naman. 30 lang. 30 lang. Hindi naman isagad. The pick up? Taray ng jeep nito. May pa LCD talagang nagaganap. Sayang, di ko mapakita yung ganda ng... I want to show you your bus, but there's like a lot of women at my back. No, inside, but there's like a lot of women. Take care. Okay, para lang makita yung itsura ko at the moment, para akong prinsesa sa may gitna mismo ng driver. Hi everybody, ayun, nakapwesto na tayo sa medyo bandang pwede na ako mag-video. Nagbabaan na yung mga kalamihan ng kababaihan sa harapan. So, yung mga lalaki ako na tumabig. So, yun. Where, Hi, this is gonna be the last part of my video, ha. Again, like, I hope that you were able to enjoy that experience in Balakaho public market here in Islamabad. Again, that's located somewhere, I think East Downtown, something like that, but I'm not sure. But ayun, asa na na-enjoy niyo yung detailed experience ko doon. Sabay-sabay natin siyang first time na experience. It was also my first time na talagang bumaba doon. Maraming beses na akong dumaan doon, pero I was not able to find the time na makapag-vlog nga doon. So, ayun. Finally, we were able to do it today. So, again, I hope that you enjoy watching this episode of mine. Whatever you are, whatever you're doing, I hope that you're having a great day. And please, don't forget to like, mag-subscribe naman kayo. I-share nyo rin yung channel ko to your friends, to your family, ex-boyfriends, ex-girlfriends. I-share nyo naman to. Uy, para naman makatuloy-tuloy tayo sa mga journey natin. But again, this is what it feels like. Pero alam mo itong bus na to, masyado itong maganda. Hindi ganito kaganda yung bus dito. First time ko lang nakasakay ng public transport itong ganitong kaganda. Para mo nga public, dapat madumi to. Parang ang ganda tuloy ng experience na to. Para kung nakasakay sa bus na maganda. Hindi ganito dapat to. Dapat to ano yung nasakyan ko dati. Parang medyo magulo-gulo. But ayun na yun. Sana na-enjoy nyo itong episode na to. Everybody, bonus clip. Ito yung pwesto ko kanina dito. Lumipat lang ako doon para makapag-video ako saglit. Pero ito yung pwesto ko talaga. Para akong prinsesa sa ano. Hello? Nagkatawanan yung mga nasa likod ko. Para akong prinsesa ng bus. Thank you. Welcome. Yung pamasahe daw dito is 70 PKR. Bubunggo tayo. Mamamatay pa tayo, di ba yan? Ito naman, lumayas ka naman. Hinampas ko, sorry. Bubunggo kami, sorry naman. Sabi ko sa inyo, maganda ako. Yung package yun, inaawrahan ako ng mga in-check eh. Everybody right now, so I know that a lot of you... No, she's a girl, Hamza. Failed. So we saw a group of transgender here just now. I know that a lot of you have been asking me to do like, if it's possible to do like an interview with them. And that's what we are trying to do. Good thing I'm with Hamza today because finally I have a translator. So I told Hamza na if we can talk to them, like have like a very quick, talk, just to like say hi, mga ganyan lang. But we lost them. So nawala ang mga sisterette ko. But we're looking for them right now. Sana mahanap namin sila. And so I will be able to, finally have a sit-down interview at least with one of them. Sana mahanap namin. Shucks, asan kaya sila? Mahahanap namin yan kasi ilang beses ko na sila nakita dito kaso wala akong translator. Nagkataon lang nakasama ko si Hamza, so I'm really doing my best na i-push through tong interview with them. I hope we'll be able to find them. So, Hamza, tara. Sabi ni Hamza sa akin, may chance daw na pinaalis sila or ipinalipat ng mga pulis sa ibang lugar. I hope not. Because why would they do that, diba? That's so sad. So, naiilang si Hamza pero sabi ko, Hamza, gawan mo ng paraan. So, I hope that we'll be able to do it. Sana hindi sila magalit. Natatakot kasi ako. So, ayan. Sana pumayag. We wanna make sure kasi na we're not gonna offend anyone. Ay, gusto mo mag-ay? Oh, hi. Gusto niya rin Nay, Philippines.
Say like that.
Hamza, no?
I'm not comfortable.
China, okay,
Japan.
Philippines. Sindaba. Hoy, Philippines, Sindaba. Nagtitinda to, sigurado ako. Hamza, she's comfortable. The one that's posing for the picture. May umaawala sa aking in-check. Diba? Sabi ko sa inyo, may ibebenta siya eh. Oh. Appear, oh. Hi. Ayaw niya akong tanan sa pagbebenta niya. Sabi ko, wait lang, may inaasikaso akong vlog. Kaya saglit lang. What? Alam mo, ito. Wait lang. Asan na? Ang dal-dal. Hindi na siya humiwalay sa amin.
Saying that, pay me also. My 5, please.
You also, Manny, no.
No, please.
Thank you. What happened? Why did he fight with the guy?
The guy said that do it for free.
Yeah.
And like, they clashed.
Ayan. Oh, ayun yung sinasabi ko. Kaya hindi ko na kinapture kasi nagagalit talaga sila. Mahirap silang kausap. So medyo palaban talaga sila. Maganda. Pero ang ganda niya sobra. But we have to understand na it could happen sometimes here. Tingnan niyo yung Chinese sa likod ko. Kaya na pa siya sumusunod. Ang kulit. Diyos ko, hanggang Pakistan. Ayaw kong tanta ng mga Chekwa. Pasaway. Hindi naging successful yung interview. Nakakainis. Oh, everybody had that's additional bonus clip. I tried my best. To everyone who's asking kung bakit wala akong nai-interview pa. Because, trust me, I tried it before. Same thing happened. Talagang medyo may pagka-aggressive talaga. But again, we cannot blame them. She's beautiful, she's nice. And sometimes nangyayari talaga yung mga ganung bagay dito. And that is okay. What you say?
2008.
No, it's okay. No worries.
You know.
What you say?
Like, I know.
No, I will be okay. No worries.
क्या बोल नहीं खत्म नहीं लेना
Nay. Thank you. Yan, ganyan sila kausap. They are really like that. Aggressive talaga silang kausap.
the other one that one said like gestured me that
Who?
the other one
Who? The other one? What did she say?
she said like wait for me.
Oh, tried ha. Nung mga away siya, grabe mo na. Sasapakin niya na. Ha? Did you see what she's gonna do earlier?
Yeah.
She's ready to fight with the guy. Stress ako, mami. Tama na nga itong ano. Tama na nga ito. Umuwi na tayo. Asan yung Chinese na umaawra sa akin? Ta-take home ko na yan. Charos lang. Asan na yun? Cutie-cutie pa naman. Asan na siya? Hello, what did she say?
Follow
Ha?
the follower like she's not comfortable over here like
Yeah, it's okay. Oh, pina-follow namin siya. It's okay, ha? Can you ask first? Later that. Stop the booking. Buti kasama ko si Yamsa.
hasn't said
Hoy, sana we'll be able to make this possible, everybody. I was about to end the vlog, but then one of my sisters approached me and she told us that, yeah, sure, we can do it. But we'll check with Hamza. Kausap siya ni Hamza at the moment. We will see. What she say?
इंग्लिश समझ आती है आपको?
हाँ आती है। आप मुझे कुछ बताएं पहले कि आप क्या पूछेंगे तो मुझे उसका क्या
What exactly you were gonna ask?
No, just basic questions about her life. How was she? How is she feeling about herself? Just the basics.
आप किस तरह यहाँ पे मतलब लाइफ गुजार रहे हैं और जो
Yeah.
बताना होगा।
Oh, anything that's only comfortable for her. Anything that's comfortable.
uncomfortable हो कि नहीं
नहीं अनकंफर्टेबल नहीं हूँ, लेकिन मैं ये पूछ रही हूँ कि इंग्लिश में जवाब देना होगा।
हाँ
इंग्लिश तो मुझे इतनी कोई खास नहीं आती।
ये आप उर्दू में बता देना
Translate.
ट्रांसलेट कर
हाँ आप ट्रांसलेट कर देना।
Oh, what she say?
yeah our mom like she's comfortable to sit with you and then
Hoy everybody, so yun na nga, finally nagawa natin siya, naging possible. Up ka nam kya hai?
ऐश मलिक
Ay, Shumali, ayan siya. She approached us like very kind, soft, gentle. And she is totally okay to have an interview. And after this, we'll just give her something. Yeah. The question is like, how do you feel about Pakistan? Wait, do you consider yourself as transgender? Transgender?
आपको पाकिस्तान में किस तरह feel होता है?
अच्छा फील होता है, लेकिन कुछ जगह पे हमें डिसहार्ट भी किया जाता है। कुछ लोग हमें यहाँ पे बुरा भला भी कहते हैं, लेकिन फाइन।
Yeah, like some people disrespect them sometimes.
Sometimes. Like, what is the most disrespectful thing that someone has done to you?
सबसे ज़्यादा बुरी क्या चीज़ किसी ने बोली?
जब लोग हमें बुरे बुरे अल्फाज से पुकारते हैं, लाइक ख्वाजा सरा, हिजड़ा,
When they call them by their gender.
Ah, okay. Like the hatred thing? Ah, okay. It's okay if I ask about your family?
आपकी फैमिली में कौन कौन?
वन सिस्टर एंड वन ब्रदर एंड आई एम।
Did she volunteer to go out of their home or
आपको घर वालों ने बोला कि इस तरह अर्न करना है या
नहीं, घर वालों ने नहीं बोला। जब मैं पैदा हुई थी तो मैं पैदाइशी ही ट्रांस थी।
she was by birth trans. She was by birth trans, so like she figured it out.
Okay, and when did she voluntarily go out of their house? Ah, okay. Like, how is life with you? How's life for you as a transgender in Pakistan?
आपकी लाइफ जिस तरह आपके जेंडर हो पाकिस्तान में किस तरह आपकी लाइफ या अच्छा समझते हैं या बुरा समझते हैं?
किसी हद तक अच्छा भी समझते हैं, लेकिन हमारी ये कोशिश होती है कि हम बाहर चले जाएं, तो वो क्योंकि बाहर हम लोगों को ज़्यादा अच्छी हमें फैसिलिटीज़ हैं हमारे लिए। और
They try to go out of Pakistan.
They try to go out, yeah. Do they give you ID? That's the NIC?
यस
You have it now?
यस
Ah, okay. That's good then. Okay. Like, in everyday, do you think you have enough opportunities in Pakistan? Like job?
Jobs वगैरह
Did you try it?
नहीं।
Did she try to apply for a proper job?
कोशिश की है जॉब की?
हाँ मैंने कोशिश की, लेकिन नहीं मिल सकी।
And like, what happened?
क्यों नहीं, क्या वजह है?
हम जहाँ पे भी जाते हैं तो वो हमारा आईडी कार्ड या हमारी सीवी देख के वो ये बोलते हैं कि अच्छा आप ट्रांसजेंडर हो, तो इस वजह से वो हमें यहाँ पे नहीं।
What?
So they reject them because of their gender.
Until now?
Yeah. So that's why they try to leave Pakistan because
Yeah,
they're
yeah.
not respected over there.
Yeah, and tell her that on the other side of the world, like transgenders can actually live like a normal and happy life.
कह रहे बाहर जिस तरह इनकी मुल्कों में ना आप एक नॉर्मल ज़िंदगी जॉब
Yeah.
कर जिस तरह जेंडर भी हो आप नॉर्मल ज़िंदगी रह सकते हैं जॉब्स कर सकते हैं कुछ भी कर सकते हैं
हाँ बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं वहाँ पे।
Yeah, I hope that she get the opportunity to leave the country if that's what she
यदि
wanted.
आपको चांस मिले तो आप ज़रूर बाहर
ज़रूर अगर मुझे चांस मिलेगा तो मैं ज़रूर जाना चाहूँगी।
Yeah.
she will definitely go out.
Yeah. How long she has been doing this like on the streets?
आप कब से इस तरह स्ट्रीट्स वगैरह करते हैं
2010
2010? Like since like this?
2010
Has she ever been harassed?
आपको किसी ने हरासा किया
नहीं हरासा करते हैं लोग लेकिन फिर हम अपने यार जान छुड़ा के भागना पड़ता है।
या they escape
They do it.
they then just escape from that place.
Yeah. Wait, sorry. It's going down, Hamza. And tell her that I am so thankful that she agreed to do this quick interview with her because I've been trying to do this for a long time.
या तो बहुत शुक्रगुजार हैं क्योंकि इस तरह कोई इंटरव्यू देता नहीं है यहाँ पे जिसको भी बात करते हैं तो मतलब भाग जाते हैं या
नहीं मुझे तो अच्छा लगता है कि मेरी आवाज़ अगर कहीं तक पहुंचती है तो मुझे तो अच्छा लगता है कि मैं अपना इंटरव्यू दूं ताकि लोग हमारी कम्युनिटी को सपोर्ट करें।
wants to get she wants to raise voice for her community.
Yeah. I have been trying to interview one of transgenders here, but I have so much respect to them. I don't want them to feel uncomfortable.
ये यूजुअली इंटरव्यू इसलिए नहीं करती क्योंकि अगले को बुरा ना लगे कि like disrespectful
नहीं मुझे तो अच्छा लगता है बुरा नहीं लगता।
Yeah, I respect them so much. A lot. I have so much respect for transgenders in Pakistan. Yeah, and thank you very much. Do you have any message? Anything you want to say to the world? Maybe someone is watching that could help you.
मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी देखने वालों को कि प्लीज़ हम भी इस माशरे का हिस्सा हैं और हमारी भी इज़्ज़त की जाए।
they need to be respected like normally.
Yeah. And like kind of tell her, I kind of feel bad sometimes that I get like a good treatment, but not them. I feel so sad about it.
So ये कहना चाहिए कि जब ये यहाँ पाकिस्तान आते हैं या इस तरह की कम्युनिटी के कोई लोग आते हैं तो उनको एक VIP ट्रीटमेंट मिलता है यहाँ पे।
Yeah.
तो आप लोगों को नहीं मिलता इस वजह से ये मतलब आप लोगों के खातिर आवाज़ उठा
ओके फाइन।
Recently, I'm raising money for kids. I hopefully like in the future, I can also like raise money for them.
तो ये लाइक ज़रूरतमंद बच्चों के लिए भी पैसे वगैरह डोनेशन वगैरह जमा कर और फ्यूचर आप लोगों के लिए आप लोगों
ओके फाइन।
Yeah, I have the voice to do it, and right now she doesn't have it. So let me use my voice that hopefully one day that we'll be able to recognize the transgenders here in Pakistan. Same like us. Everyone needs respect, and everyone deserves to live like a normal life. And just like at this very moment, I feel so privileged that I kind of have to live like a normal life, like have a normal job, get like a good treatment here in Pakistan. I hope that they get like, if not the VIP treatment, at least the normal treatment here in Pakistan, because all transgenders deserve like a good and proper treatment wherever they are. And like, I hope that this voice matters because this like interview means a lot to me. She has contact number?
आपका कोई कॉन्टैक्ट
Yes.
Sure, I'll get it. Yeah. Let me give you a bit of like whatever I'm gonna be earning on this video.
Okay.
I will contact her, and for sure that I cannot promise like how much will this, but I promise to give you something like once this video is released.
ओके।